Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video on one of my last beauty ones for the month, and it is JOAHBOX, and this is the April box. Well, it's not a box, it's a bag. It's a bag, and this is what it looks like. So if you're new to JOAHBOX, I'll give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about, but if you've seen it all before and you just want to see what's inside this month's bag, then I will add a timestamp down below so you're free to flick forward. So JOAHBOX is a Korean beauty monthly subscription. It offers free worldwide shipping, which is amazing, and inside you get between 4 to 5 beauty products, and they're all full size. You might get the odd sample now and again, but they are just added add-ons. I absolutely love this subscription because it's a little bit different. Sometimes because when I'm getting a lot of beauty subscription boxes, you might see crossovers, but with a JOAHBOX you're not going to get that because a lot of the products are from South Korea, and a lot of the beauty boxes that are in the UK or the US, then besides face masks, you're not really going to see actual skincare and makeup products. Well, I haven't yet anyway, so I like that. I like that it's a little bit of a surprise and something different. So for a monthly rolling subscription, it would cost you $33, or that's equivalent to £25. You can buy a one-off box to try before you decide on subscribing maybe, or to buy as a gift. That will cost you $36, and that is around 27 UK pounds. And then they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost, and you can cancel anytime. All the products inside are all trending Korean beauty products, and they range from skincare, hair care, makeup and beauty tools as well. Plus every month you can get to go on their website and they show you some tips and tricks related to the products that you will receive as well. So when you first sign up, you get to fill in a short questionnaire, and that's just so that they can tailor the subscription as closely to you as possible. You get to state what skin type you've got, what skin tone, what colour preferences, whether you prefer skincare over makeup, etc. So you get to do that at the beginning. Shipping takes place on the 10th of every month, but because it ships worldwide for free, you can expect your delivery to take a little bit longer, so it can take up to about 4 weeks for delivery. So I think that's it about JOAHBOX. All information related to JOAHBOX, this subscription, and any refer a friend links or codes I can find, I will link down below. So click on the show more underneath this video, and that'll bring a description, and it'll all be down there, so you're welcome to take a look there. I forgot to say that JOAHBOX kindly gifted me this. They send me their JOAHBOX every month as PR. They've been doing it now for about 6 months, I think, and yeah, initially I thought it was only for 3 months, but no, they've continued, so I am so grateful because I absolutely love the subscription. So yeah, so let's open it up. Enough of me blabbing, let's show you what I got inside. We've got the April leaflet in here, and it tells you everything about the product, and it also tells you the cost as well, so I'm able to tot it up and give you a final value, which is interesting because you want to know how much it is compared to the actual box and whether you're having a good bargain or not. The first item we got is, what are they, lip balms? Pink Fruity, Half Moon Eyes, Dragon Fruit, oh, wash off face mask exfoliator. Okay. And look, nice bright packaging there. I thought they were little lip balms. Pink Fruity wash off mask exfoliator. No other information because they come from Seoul in Korea. All the information is in Korean, so thankfully this little booklet, it explains everything you have to do and what it's like and all that in the book in there. And they're all exactly the same. You can see at the back there, it's like a pink sort of clay sort of look. Cause is a brand that does little pots of masks like these, and oh, I love them. So now they've got, I don't know any information about it, so I'll have to refer back to here. The recommended retail price for this set is $8.50. Half Moon Eyes Dragon Fruit Pink Fruity is a wash-off mask to tighten pores and remove impurities from pores without drying out the skin. It contains talc, kaolin, lanolin, shea butter, dragon fruit extract, squalane, honey, and other botanical extracts. This comes in a one-time use capsule that tears open easily, very hygienic and travel friendly. And it says use once a week after cleansing, apply a proper amount, let it work for 10 minutes and wash off with warm water to break down the dried particles with circulating massaging motions. And then it tells you all in French what to do there then. So that's the first item. Next we've got a grey fluffy thing. I'm assuming it's like a headband or something, not like, I don't know, like a teddy. Oh, it's weird. It's long. Look. It's a long one. How's that? Oh, it's got bendy wire on the bottom there. So what's it say? Loa's fashion icon, lifestyle of beauty. Okay, so I'm assuming you do this and then you do this. Looking rather cool there. Obviously it's to push your hair off your face and not like what I'm doing. But what's it say about it in here then? Headband, $5. Do your skincare routine in style and comfort with this adorable and cute headband. You can keep unwanted hair from your face, of course, while cleansing and applying your skincare products. That is quite cool actually. I'm going to give that a go. It feels nice and soft, but obviously not the way I've done it. Not that way. So no, so that's that item there. So next we've got a mask, and this is C200. Oh, it's a bubble peeling mask. I love bubble masks. It's a bubble peeling mask, and it's got exfoliation, brightening and glowing from the Wish formula. That's what that looks like there. So this will cost you $8, and it says this innovative dual peeling system uses a patented fermented peeling solution and a peeling pad to gently slough away dead skin cells, dirt and debris, containing effective exfoliating ingredients such as vitamin C and AHA to give skin a gentle peel and reveal brighter skin by gently buffing cleanse face with a puff. All right, use up to 2 times per week. This product is vegan. Oh, okay, it's not a face mask. I should have read it. Bubble peeling pad. After removing makeup, wet the pad with a few water drops and pour the peeling base onto the sponge. Place your fingers through the band and gently rub your face for 1 minute. Flip the sponge over and rub on your face to absorb additional vitamins and nutrients before rinsing with lukewarm water. The peeling pad can be used up to 3 times. Make sure to close the liquid pouch very well after use. Because vitamin C is a very sensitive ingredient, use a good layer of sunscreen the day after using this product and moisturize the skin well after use. Oh my god, okay, that's what it looks like there. See, I should pay more attention before jumping to conclusions. So it's a little pad that you apply. Oh, that sounds really interesting, doesn't it? Next we've got a Merrimond Love Crush. I know you have a crush on me. What's this? Oh, it doesn't say. It's a makeup product possibly. Maybe a lipstick or a blush. I'm thinking a blush. I don't know. Look at that. That's what it's shaped like. It's like a heart. That is so cool. Unless it's like a highlighter. Oh yeah, I can see it's got like a purpley iridescence type of pearly shimmer with like pink and purple undertones. Let's see what. Oh, look how you look. That is weird. Can you see me turning it? Hang on. That is weird. Whoa. See there? Might be able to see a little bit there. Oh my gosh, that is really pretty. It's like a balm, like a highlighting balm. That's what I'd assume it is. But unfortunately, it's not in a shade that I would go for, that I would wear. It feels lovely, but it's just the tone, it's just the colours. I prefer it to be more of a corally browny type of gold tones as opposed to like purples and pinks. But I think, you know, on warmer skin tones, I think that would look stunning. It would look absolutely beautiful because it's very subtle. It's not too in your face, but it's just very, very subtle, but it just picks up that little bit of colour there. But no, I'll give it a go. I will give it a go. I might be surprised. So yeah, it's a highlight stick and the recommended retail price is $22. A creamy highlighting stick with a hint of light purple colour, adding luminosity to the skin, infused with moisturising jojoba seed and other nourishing ingredients to deliver a long-wearing glow. Blends effortlessly to promote a brighter, radiant complexion. Also to mention, this product is vegan. Apply to your cheekbones and blend it with fingertips or a brush. You can apply this highlighter on your collarbones. So that's that product there. And lastly, we've got a D'Alba Piemonte First Spray Serum. Oh, a serum spray. Allure from Basic. I'm not too sure. Oh, a serum spray. That sounds a bit interesting. It's got a little sticker on here and it says download hidden tag app and verify their authenticity. Now that's cool, isn't it? The little tag there. Okay. I've got no worries about you not being authentic. That's fine. I trust it. Oh my gosh. Wow. Hopefully you can see there. If I move out the picture, then you might be able to see. Can you see that it's got like oil bits in there floating around? That's quite cool. Okay, assuming to give it a good old shake. Yeah, first spray serum. Yeah, you can see it's all blended together now. The packaging is lovely. What's it say about it? White Truffle First Spray Serum by De Alba, and the recommended retail cost is $20. This cult Korean product went viral after it was revealed to be the secret behind Korean airline hostesses' beautifully hydrated complexions in flight, with star ingredients like avocado oil, white truffle, niacinamide type of B vitamin. And it says, get your glass skin on point with this travel-friendly vegan mist and spray. Just remember to give it a shake before spraying to evenly distribute the layers of oils at the top. You can use the spray as part of your skincare routine or throughout the day to prep skin and combat air conditioning and heating. And it says, blending European and Korean skincare styles, luxury Korean label, La Alba Piedmont gives skin a sensory experience. Oh my gosh, that sounds absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, no, really, really lovely. I can't wait to try that. See what it's like. It'd be interesting to see how it sprays over makeup. If it gives like, I'll try now, if it gives like a really fine mist, I can imagine, say for instance, I don't know, so if I'm going out and I'm wearing more heavier makeup than what I normally do, so thicker foundations, powders and things on my face, actually spraying your face with this afterwards, it might sort of, I don't know, melt your face a little bit. Your makeup, I mean, and yeah, like a setting spray, but with added skincare benefits and the oils too. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, let's see what it's like on my hands. See, if it comes out in lumps, then I know I'm not going to do that because I don't want lumpy, oily bits on my face. No, it's really fine. It's really fine. Oh my gosh. So those are all the items. I'm just going to gather them all up and then I'm going to add them all up as well. So these are the contents of April's JOAHBOX. Now, JOAHBOX costs $33. The value of this month's box is $68. So well over the price that you pay. I think again, you've got some amazing products here. This highlighter is hit and miss for me. I don't think I'm going to be using it. I will give it a try. I might be surprised, but yeah, I think it's more for my daughter really, so she'll be happy with that. But no, can't wait to try this spray. It sounds absolutely amazing. Headband, a bit weird at first, but no, I think that'd be quite handy and something to keep in this room as well, especially when I'm doing like face masks and things, which come in handy with these. So I like them. You've got 3 there, and then you've got this bubble cleaning or bubble peeling pad, like a cleanser. So as always, I'm really happy. I haven't had a month yet that I'm not happy with the contents. Yes, okay, you've got 1 or 2 items that are not suitable for me. Based on the other products, I think it's a really great box for me. I'm excited to try the products, and yeah, JOAHBOX doesn't fail me. I absolutely love it, and I go on to using quite a lot of their products, and I look online then to search these products, especially lipstick, which I love. Hold on, MYJOAHBOX. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. It's about $22 and I would get it in loads of colours if I could, but I haven't yet found it properly yet. So yeah, so I love JOAHBOX for introducing me to different and new and unusual beauty products. So I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Do you receive it? Do you enjoy receiving it? Or is it a box that you think is a bit too expensive, it's not worth the money? Or it's a box that you just don't think the products are that great? I'd love to know all your thoughts, all your opinions. Please write them down below. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and if you liked it, please give me a big like, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, I'll speak soon. Bye.